Hey, what's up everyone? And yeah, today I'm going to show you how you can play your favorite PlayStation 5 games on the big screen using the Apple Vision Pro. That's right, after watching this short guide, you will be able to play anywhere you want. The living room, your private Oval Office, or even when you're on the road. Welcome to the future. So yeah, to get started, you want to grab your controller, boot up the PS5 and head over to its home menu. Then open the settings in the top right corner, navigate to System and select Remote Play. If you haven't already, enable this feature and when checked, put your DualSense down for just a second. So on the headset, summon Vision OS and use it to open its App Store. Once there, search for an app called Mirrorplay. Currently, this is the best method for streaming your console straight to the Vision, as the official PlayStation Remote app isn't available just yet. I know, sucks. After the app finished downloading and you launched it, make sure to move the window right next to your physical TV for the easiest setup. First, accept its privacy policy. Click on Register PlayStation and choose which console you are looking to play on. It will then ask you for a registration number, aka pairing code. To get this, switch back to your TV screen and with your controller, hit the words Link Device. You should receive a catchphrase not much later that you can insert on Mirrorplay. There is a countdown to this pairing code, but don't worry, you have plenty of time to make the magic happen. If you filled in the numbers correctly, Mirrorplay will ask for permission to utilize your PSN information so it can start streaming. Next up is logging into your PlayStation account. For quick access, you can use your eyeballs or do this manually on the keyboard. It's totally up to you. Oh, and your two-step verification code should automatically appear. You only have to paste it in. It should then tell you that the registration was successful. Congratulations! Under internet access, you have the option to enable an automatic remote connection in case you want to use your console while traveling. But hey, more on that later. You are then being met with Mirrorplay's main menu. You could technically start streaming now, but I would recommend going into its settings first. In the streaming options, change the resolution and frame rate to the highest possible, and on top of that, if you can, enable HDR. You can always tweak this later, by the way. So go back to the main menu and select Home. Click on Local Connect and let it find your PS5. It should test the connection for a moment, and after about 30 seconds or so, you should see your TV appear in a virtual window. All that's left now is connecting your controller to the Apple Vision. Not sure why, but Mirrorplay doesn't let you stream when it's paired to the PlayStation. So to change this, ask Siri to open the Bluetooth settings and hold the PlayStation and share button simultaneously until the light bar starts flashing blue. When the controller is finally in pairing mode, find it in the devices list and hook it up to the headset. And there you go! You can then drag your game window over the TV as you don't really need it anymore. It's amazing to see how well a virtual screen can blend into your physical room, making you wonder why you even have a physical one in the first place. And that said, you can, of course, pull the sides of the window and make it as big as you want, creating this cinema-esque experience. You can also grab it and place it right above you so you can lean back on the couch and play that way. Or take the screen with you and place it wherever you see fit. Playing BioShock right next to my life-size Big Daddy, for example, definitely feels like taking it to the next level. Or when duty calls, continue your game sessions on the porcelain throne while sitting on top of a mountain. Yes, that's possible. As you can see with Mirrorplay, the possibilities are pretty much endless. You can go wild and have fun. Only thing that's missing is the app being able to cast artificial lights into your room. Although, it is neat how you can play a game and call your friends on Discord, placing them right next to you, go full multitasking by checking your social media, and watching a YouTube video while waiting for a cutscene to play out, or listening to music while cruising through your favorite level. Besides full pass-through, you can be somewhere halfway in VR, like you're looking through a portal, or go full immersive. The only downside of that is that you can't see your snacks or drinks, and the same goes for your controller, which gets completely keyed out. A few other things that are worth mentioning are that you can play without a DualSense 2, meaning you can literally grab the screen and use its virtual buttons to control your character. I tried this for science, but right now it's a total skip. It's like you have a giant iPad in front of you. But as silly as this looks, I can see how people who can't use traditional controllers could benefit from this. You can use the PlayStation headphones as well. They sadly do not connect to the Vision directly, but do work with the PS5. They actually fit very nicely over the headset, which is great news if you want to fully immerse yourself. Talking about music, during my testing I noticed that your gamepad sometimes loses connection when you open another app. To get it back in action, simply tap the screen for a second and you're set. It's good to know that while you're playing, it's smart to have your console connected to an Ethernet cable for maximum performance. I tried to play wirelessly myself and had some frame drops here and there, which killed the gaming experience. And, well, last but not least, if you have a strong internet bundle, you can in fact connect your PS5 remotely and play games in a car or train. This is highly experimental, but very cool nonetheless. Sitting in a car while driving a car is like being on the edge of the simulation we live in. To enable this, you just go to Home in the app and launch Remote Play. Thank me later. Anyhow, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I know there aren't that many people who own an Apple Vision Pro right now, but I still wanted to create this tutorial as I didn't really know what to do when I wanted to play with my PlayStation on the headset, because there is no official PlayStation Remote Play app available on the store. So this is the only alternative that I could find that works amazingly and is free too. So go check it out if you haven't already, and yeah, stay tuned for more Apple Vision Pro content. Until next time, and bye bye for now.